Okay, we are back with another video. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do the rectangular array or the polar array. So polar, circle, rectangular, linear. So let's start with the rectangle here. I'm going to create a rectangle here, random. So let's say I want in my sketch, I want multiple of these, but instead of doing, keep recreating the same thing over and over and over, uh, you can use a copy to copy it, but that's going to take a lot of time. Let's say I want 25 of these. All right. So here's a way to do it. If you click on the rectangular array, now select my object, and then I'll hit enter. Then I can go into this column rows and I can change things out. So how many columns I got right now is 4. Let's say I want it to be 8. And then how many rows I want it to be. Let's say I want it to be 5. Um, and then I can also change out different other things here um, by distance between these rectangles. I can chain them down to 8, and you can see now they get closer. Um, so I got 8 columns of 5 rows each of, so you are now looking at the distance between the left and the right rectangle. You can also see from the top and the bottom. So that is depends on what you are putting in or the problem require you to enter. And from the left side to the right side, in this case, is 56 units. So there's a whole bunch of information you can put in on this one. When it's all done, you can close array and voila, you have that, right? The next thing you can do is also we're going to do circular. I'm going to draw a circle here. Um, and I'm going to go to the polar array, and then I'll select this object and I'll hit enter. Now they want me to select a center point. In my case, I don't have any right now. So let's say if I want to click on this center, it's not going to do anything here. It will be the same circle of, going around that same circle. So let's go ahead and use this corner right here, for example. So I'm going to go back to polar array. I want this right here, and I want its hit enter. Then I want it to be rotating around this corner. And you can see I got that, making a circles around that little corner there. And I can change how many I want. Let me see. I want 10 of those. And I want, rows. How many rows? Let's do 2. Um, all right, so you can see I have a circle of it outside of another circle. And then you can fill out all the informations. All right. That is a polar and rectangular array.